Tired of copy-pasting phone numbers and SMS messages? There's a better way. In this video, we'll show you how to connect Excel to Twilio and send SMS messages directly from your spreadsheets, streamlining your communication workflow. First, you will need to install the Twilio Addin for Excel. To do this, navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon and click on Get Addins. In the Office Addin store, search for Twilio and click Add to install the Twilio SMS for Excel Addin. This will enable you to connect your Excel sheet to Twilio's messaging services. Now, open the Twilio Addin. You will be prompted to enter your Twilio account SID, auth token, and your Twilio phone number. You can find these credentials on your Twilio account dashboard. After logging in, be sure to copy and paste those carefully. Next, format your data correctly. Create columns for phone number and message body in your spreadsheet. Ensure phone numbers are in the correct format, including the country code, but excluding any plus signs or special characters. Then, fill in the message body column with the text you want to send to each recipient. In the Twilio Addin panel, select the ranges for your phone number and message body columns. Unselected, click the Send SMS button. The Addin will process the data and send individual text messages to each number in your spreadsheet. You'll see confirmation messages in the Addin as the SMS messages are sent, and that's it. You've successfully automated bulk SMS campaigns using Twilio and Excel. Now you can reach your audience faster and more efficiently than ever.